Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Kids Glitter channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more video updates. If you wanted to have a clear demarcation of what noun and its type, then this video will help you out in making a clear perception of this topic with illustrations. In simple context, noun are the words used as name of any persons, animals, places, things or feelings are clearly called as noun. In other words, all naming words by which a particular thing, person are identified are known as noun. Words like Ram is a noun, tiger is an animal, so it is a noun, Taj Mahal is a place, so it is a noun. Here are some examples. Moving to kinds of noun, there are 5 kinds of noun. What are they? Let's learn. First one is proper noun. A proper noun is a special name of a particular person or place. For instance, Sachin is a special name of a particular person. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. For instance, Paris is the capital of France. Here, Paris and France is a proper noun. Second one is common noun. Common noun does not point out any particular person, place or thing. It is given in common. The name boy can be given to any and every boy in a class, whether it be Vivek, Karan, Ram, Sanjeev, but we call it as boy. Collection of people of same kind or thing can be called as a collective noun. The word class stands for collection of students. The team stands for a collection of players. Material noun are the names of the material from which the things can be made of. So they are called as material nouns. For example, windows are made of glass. Shirts are made of cloth. Fifth one is abstract noun, name of something which we cannot see or touch, but we can only think of that. Like hope, honesty, truth, courage, lie. Examples are like honesty is the best policy. Honesty can't be see, can't we touch it. We can only think of it. And another example is an innocent boy shows innocence. Innocence can't be seen or touched. It can be only think of. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.